Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable the Steam Virtual Keyboard for PS4, PS5, and Xbox controllers. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the Steam menu there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the settings window where you can customize various aspects of your Steam experience. Once the settings window opens, look at the left sidebar where you'll find different categories. Click on Controller to access all the controller-related settings. This section gives you full control over how your controllers behave within Steam, including input configurations and layout options. Now, within the controller settings, click on Show Advanced Settings. This reveals additional configuration options that aren't visible by default, giving you deeper control over your controller's behavior and features. Next, scroll down until you find the desktop layout option. Right beside it, you'll see an Edit button. Click on this button to modify how your controller functions when you're using Steam's desktop mode. This is where you can customize various inputs and remove features you don't want, like the virtual keyboard. After clicking Edit, you'll be prompted with another option. Click on Edit Layout to proceed to the detailed configuration screen. This is where you'll have access to all the individual button mappings and commands assigned to your controller. Once you're in the layout editor, take a look at the left sidebar. Here you'll see controller settings organized by component, including buttons, D-pad, triggers, and joysticks. Each of these sections contains specific commands and actions assigned to different parts of your controller. For instance, click on Joysticks. This opens up the configuration panel for your controller's joystick inputs, showing you what commands are currently assigned to them. In the right panel, check if you see a Show Keyboard command listed. If it's there, you'll notice a gear icon right beside it. Click on that gear icon to open a menu with additional options. From this menu, select Remove Command. This action will disable the virtual keyboard from popping up when using your controller, solving the issue of unwanted keyboard overlays during gameplay or navigation. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Steam Virtual Keyboard for your controller, giving you a cleaner and more streamlined gaming experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.